Welcome back. This is TheKhan's take on breakfast pizza. You're going to be needing some grated cheese, 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic, some cut up salami, chopped up mushrooms, about 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, cayenne pepper, crushed chilies, Italian herbs, Origanum, and cake flour. Let's pop those eggs out. A quarter teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of cake flour or all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Mix that peanut butter together with all the ingredients until you have a similar texture. Get yourself a skillet or a frying pan. Heat that frying pan up and add a dollop of olive oil. Add your mixture to the pan. Make sure the pan is hot enough, you'll see it starts bubbling on the sides, and spread your mixture equally across the whole pan. So once you're done with that, you add your crushed garlic, salami, and basically all your toppings. So your salami, your mushrooms, and you can finish it off with some grated cheese. So we add your cheese over there. Once you're done, you can add some spices like crushed chilies, Italian herbs, your Origanum, and your cayenne pepper. Pop it into a 180 degrees oven for about 50 minutes and you're done. Ready to serve.